Hi everybody, I'm making a Claire dress today and I'm just mounting my collar. So I quickly wanted to show you how I'm doing it. If you might remember last week at the live draft analysis, we talked about how you can mount thinner or drapier fabrics on a different fabric to give a more body and structure, which will give you a really nice sculptural look. So with the Del Pozo collar, you could use a cotton or thinner wool and you mount it on a different fabric to make the collar stand up and feel more rounded, and also quite it feels more luxurious quite often. It gives the whole garment a certain weight, body. It just feels nicer. So I'm going to quickly show you now how I'm doing it today. I'm working on the Claire dress at the moment, and I did a major fail on the neckline. I think I was just a bit mean with the facing. It just didn't look nice enough. So I've actually unpicked it and widened my facing a bit. And before I just lined it in a cotton, but I actually decided to mount each facing piece on a cotton organdy, which is similar to a silk organza, but I prefer, I love a cotton organdy. It's got, can you see how it's really thin, but it's got that beautiful structure and body. It's quite sculptural. You see how it doesn't collapse. It sort of collapses. It stays up. And you can see I've already mounted my back facing onto it, and the fabric is normally quite, can you see, it's a linen cotton, so it's got some structure and body, but it's quite drapey. But by mounting it onto the cotton organdy, it suddenly becomes quite, can you see how it's actually suddenly got a life of its own? So I think it's going to make the collar stand up really nicely and just give a bit of body. And what I'm going to do now is stitch sort of 1/2 centimeter in all the way around it. I might give another iron before that, because it's mounting. You need to make sure it's really flat, because you don't want any puckering when you're stitching it. So you need to make sure the pieces are really well pressed and flat together. And I'm going to do the same with both my fronts facing, and then I can finish off my dress and finally show it to you.